More bombshell testimony today in the sex crimes trial of Sean Diddy Combs. The prosecution's star witness, ex-girlfriend Cassie Ventura, seen in that disturbing hotel security video where Combs was physically attacking her. Ventura with graphic testimony about alleged drug-fueled parties known as freak-offs and sexual encounters with the hip-hop mogul. Let's get out to NewsNation's Caitlyn Becker outside the federal courthouse there in New York City. And Caitlyn, what is happening on this now day 2 of this trial?
Well, Nichole, right now things are getting pretty emotional for Cassie Ventura on the stand as she recalls for the jury participating in these sometimes days-long freak-offs, sexual escapades organized by Sean Combs that she said made her feel dirty and worthless. She felt like she didn't have anything else to offer when she was being forced, she said, to participate in them, telling the jury that they would be at some point happening almost weekly and completely overtaking her career as an artist for Bad Boy Records. Of course, the record label owned and operated by Sean Diddy Combs, who was also her boyfriend at the time. So you can see how the government here is laying out the control that they claim Diddy had over Cassie's entire life, over her personal life, her career, down to controlling what she wore, what she looked like. She said if she was being quote unquote punished, his security detail would take away her devices. They would take away access to her iPad and her phone and her computer and would give them back to her only when she said she was done being punished. She was choking back tears at one point on the stand. And also, Nichole, we're hearing her describe her interactions with people who worked for Diddy, who worked for Sean Combs during this process. Now, to lay out his work relationships and this quote-unquote enterprise that they need to establish, this all goes to that racketeering charge. The government needs to prove that he did the things that they're accusing him of, the alleged sex trafficking, the alleged forced prostitution, things like that, all while they say operating like a criminal enterprise, like a criminal business. So you see them kind of laying that out right now, but it's all during this very emotional testimony from Cassie Ventura, who is 9 months pregnant on the stand. She has, needs to take a break here and there. They're only going to question her for 90-minute chunks, so she has time to do that. This is the first time she and Diddy have seen each other since they broke up some 6 years ago. He did clock her, and look right at her when she walked by him in the courtroom as she was taking the witness stand. Initially, she did not turn and look at him. And during her testimony, he's been diligently taking notes of a lot of different things she said, particularly when she talks about their sexual escapades, as well as certain aspects of the violence that she says she incurred at his hands. Now, remember, we're only getting direct examination now. And Nichole, we expect this testimony to take the entire week. So his defense team has not yet had an opportunity to kind of pepper her with their questions, to impeach her on some of the things that she's been saying here to defend their client. So we're really only getting the prosecution's case at this point, Nichole.
All right, Caitlyn Becker with that update there in Manhattan. Caitlyn, thank you.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe below and download our NewsNation app right now on your phone, and you will get fact-based, unbiased news for all Americans.